Today we will be hearing from Susan Thompson, who is the Program Director of Engineering and STEM Initiatives at Houston Community College.
I represent Houston Community College. We have about 26 different campuses, numerous programs, over 100,000 students throughout the Houston area. So it is a program, it is a college that is quite large and caters to a lot of different programs, a lot of different needs. And I represent STEM as well as our engineering center. And as we are well aware, Houston is, there's a lot of engineering opportunities, specifically in Houston and in Texas. The greater Houston area employs over 92,000 engineers, and they anticipate within the next 10 years that we will need about 72,000 more engineers. And part of this is because of technology changing. Part of it is because of companies relocating to the Houston area. And then the other reason is because we have a lot of people that are baby boomers that are retiring out of our companies. And so there's going to be huge opportunities in Texas, in the United States. But part of our issue is that we are not graduating enough engineers to meet the need, the need that will be the openings for these students, which means there is a significant shortage. So the students that are in Texas are truly in the right place at the right time. What we have created is an Associate of Science in Engineering Science, and there are about 7 community colleges throughout the Texas area that offer this program. It is, we call it the ACES degree. It is approved through the Texas Coordinating Board, and it builds in about 18 hours of engineering into the 2-year associate's degree. It is designed to be manipulated. So depending on if you're electrical engineering, there'll be C++. If you're mechanical, then it's statics and dynamics. If you're chemical engineering, then so you'll be taking more chemistry classes. So it's designed to be manipulated, and it is transferable to any university within the state of Texas. And with that said, there may be some exceptions. There may be some courses that a university may want the student to take in addition, so it'll count as an elective, but great background. And it is, one of the benefits is it's fairly inexpensive to go to a community college in comparison to a 4-year university starting out. We offered classes day and night and weekends, and then class sizes are a lot smaller. And then another benefit is that we have a lot of professionals that are in our classes. I met a lady recently that works with Baker Hughes. She has an MBA from Rice University, and she is coming back through HCC, through our UT Tyler partnership, to earn an engineering degree because she's doing the engineering work and wants to be able to get the certification, the degree, and the pay that goes along with that. So there's huge opportunities to complete an associate degree and then transfer on. And this is designed as a transfer degree to transfer on to a 4-year engineering program. Our ACES program started out in 2012. We had 48 students as declared majors, and now we're off the charts. So we stopped updating the chart, but we have over 3,000 declared majors in engineering at Houston Community College. Part of the success of our program is our partnerships. We have a partnership with U of H, Texas A&M, and the University of Texas at Tyler. Through our UT Tyler program, students can pursue electrical, mechanical, and civil engineering, as well as construction management. So the ACES degree is the foundation the first 2 years, and then they transfer to the UT Tyler program in Houston. So they have a Houston Engineering Center. And again, this was created at the same time in 2012. They have graduated over 500 students. And so majority of those are HCC students that have gone through the pathway. They only offer the last 2 years, the junior and senior level. They're located right on our HCC A-Lead campus. Their labs, their classes, their professors, everything is right here in Houston. So the students don't need to go to Tyler. It's very convenient. It allows them to pursue internships, and they're able to stay local. And it's the least expensive engineering degree that we're aware of in the United States. It's less than $24,000 for the entire program, freshman through senior year. We also have a partnership through Texas A&M. Students can complete the ACES degree and then transfer as a traditional transfer student. We also have an engineering academy. This is cohort based, as in the students will all be taking their chemistry, their physics, their calculus, and other core courses together, and their engineering courses. The engineering courses are all offered by Texas A&M faculty on our Spring Branch campus. And then the students are able to transfer to College Station to complete their engineering degrees. We also have an academy. This is our newest academy through the University of Houston. We now have 2 locations, one at Katy and one at Fraga, east side of downtown. Both A&M and A&M and U of H are application based. Ideally, the students need to be calculus ready. So we'll go into that a bit more. But through this program, the students can earn a degree in systems engineering, computer engineering and analytics, and construction engineering as new degrees that have been designed in Katy at the U of H Katy campus. And then mechanical, electrical, civil, computer, and industrial engineering, they transition to the main campus once they complete the first 2 years in the academy. The ideal candidate, and same with the Texas A&M, the ideal candidate is a first time in college student. So coming right out of high school, AP courses are great. Dual credit courses are great. If they're a college student, they need to have a 3.0 grade point and average and less than 30 hours on their transcript. Our intent is to have them go through the cohort classes all as one, so that they're able to talk in physics about the engineering and in chemistry about the math. And so they're all kind of on the same page and interacting. And we find that the academy model enables the students to be more successful. Program benefits are co-enrolled, so they are U of H engineering students from the very first day as U of H offers the engineering courses. They have access to all of the student services, the activities, the games, the student organizations, the career fairs, everything that's available on the main campus or to U of H students at any location. Smaller class sizes, significantly lower tuition and fees, and they are able to choose their first choice in engineering with a 3.25 grade point average. Our engineering students are going to locations, to universities all over the United States. And all we ask is that they work with the HCC advisors as well as where they plan to transfer, Rice or Texas State or A&M, or we have a couple that are at Stanford right now. So it's really cool to be able to help a student pursue an opportunity that's out there with their ACES degree and having a strong foundation. One of the benefits of a community college, we were talking about this before the program started, community colleges tend to be a little more nimble than universities, and we created an idea studio. It's a maker space that has 3D printers and a wood shop. We have 2 welding stations. We have a metal shop, laser cutters. You're able to go in and work and create. And a lot of our engineering classes utilize these spaces to challenge our students to create models and then print them out, 3D printing, or use a CNC router to model a project. So there's a lot of great opportunities to have the hands-on before they graduate and before they transfer on to the major universities. Again, Susan Thompson, Houston Community College, please contact me if I can assist. I'm very honored to be involved today. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. I apparently can't find my controls here. And I want to say to everyone here, Susan actually is wildly helpful. And that idea, the Idea Lab, is amazing because I took a tour of it one time. It was awesome. So if you are in Houston, I highly recommend trying to set up being able to see it because it is very, very cool. And I not that I tell you my normal, if we were all in person, we would all clap for you. So thank you so much for presenting.